Positivity awaits when you make small changes, tiny shifts in attitude and action that create a powerful ripple effect in your life. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about how making a few small changes can have a big impact on your life. Enjoy. What if just a few small changes could completely transform your day-to-day life? Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. It's amazing how a few simple tweaks to our daily habits and mindset can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. By making these small changes, you can start to shift your perspective, boost your mood, and unlock your full potential. We've all been there, feeling stuck, stressed, or uncertain about our place in the world. But the truth is, we have the power to change our circumstances by making conscious choices that promote positivity. It starts with understanding that small changes can add up to make a big difference over time. By incorporating simple practices into our daily routine, we can begin to feel more grounded, confident, and inspired. So what are some mindset shifts and tools that can help us implement these small changes? One powerful tool is journaling, which allows us to process our thoughts, reflect on our experiences, and gain clarity on our goals. There are also many amazing apps and online resources available that can help us stay on track and focused. Additionally, simple practices like meditation, deep breathing, and physical exercise can have a profound impact on our mental and physical health. To get started, let's explore some specific small changes that can make a big impact. One of the most effective practices is gratitude exercises, where we take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things we're thankful for. This can be as simple as writing down 3 things you appreciate each morning, or sharing your gratitude with a friend or family member. Another powerful practice is positive affirmations, where we repeat empowering statements to ourselves to rewire our minds and build confidence. Repeating affirmations like, "I am capable and competent," or "I trust myself and my abilities," can help to reprogram our minds and build self-confidence. Daily habits like taking a short walk outside, practicing yoga, or reading something inspiring can also help to boost our mood and energy levels. By incorporating these small changes into our daily routine, we can start to feel more positive, focused, and empowered. It's amazing how something as simple as taking a few deep breaths or listening to uplifting music can shift our perspective and improve our mood. Visualizing these small changes in action can help us understand how to implement them in our own lives. For example, imagine starting your day with a gratitude journal, writing down 3 things you're thankful for each morning. Or picture yourself taking a short walk outside during your lunch break, feeling the sun on your face and the fresh air in your lungs. By seeing these small changes in action, we can begin to understand how they can be applied in our own lives. To maintain positivity, it's essential to surround ourselves with positive influences and set realistic goals. This might mean spending time with supportive friends and family, reading inspiring books or articles, or setting achievable goals that align with our values. By doing so, we can create a supportive environment that encourages growth and progress. It's also important to be kind to ourselves and acknowledge that setbacks are a natural part of the journey. Of course, there will be challenges along the way, and it's essential to address them head-on. One common obstacle is self-doubt, which can creep in when we're trying to make positive changes. To overcome this, we can practice self-compassion, remind ourselves of our strengths, and focus on progress rather than perfection. Another challenge is maintaining motivation, which can be achieved by celebrating small wins, finding accountability, and tracking our progress. In recap, the small changes we've discussed have the potential to make a profound impact on our lives. By incorporating practices like gratitude exercises, positive affirmations, and daily habits, we can start to feel more positive, focused, and empowered. These small changes can add up to make a big difference over time, leading to greater confidence, resilience, and overall well-being. By embracing these small changes, we can unlock our full potential and live a more fulfilling life. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.